Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shivam English class. You know friends that a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. There are many kinds of pronoun in English grammar. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the relative pronouns. The relative pronouns introduce a relative clause that describe nouns or other pronouns. When we join two sentences into one, we use a relative pronoun. It can be stand alone as a subject or as the object in a sentence. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, that, what, which, when, where, and whose. Now take a look at some example by joining two sentences using relative pronouns. Number 1. The boy solved the problem, full stop. He was praised by everyone. The answer is the boy who solved the problem was praised by everyone. Number 2. The boy did not do his homework, full stop. The teacher punished him. The answer is the teacher punished the boy who did not do his homework. Number 3. Bring me the knife, full stop. The knife is on the shelf. The answer is bring me the knife which is on the shelf. Number 4. This is the project, full stop. Johnny submitted it. The answer is this is the project that Johnny submitted. Number 5. He is the culprit, full stop. The police have arrested him. The answer is he is the culprit whom the police have arrested. Number 6. That is the road, full stop. There you can see many bookstores. The answer is that is the road where you can see many bookstores. Number 7. The dog beat the man, full stop. The man was passing by. The answer is the dog beat the man who was passing by. Number 8. She is a cute girl, full stop. Everyone loves her. The answer is she is a cute girl whom everyone loves. Number 9. I need to find a person, full stop. He can watch my dog. The answer is I need to find a person who can watch my dog. Number 10. I don't understand, full stop, the matter you are talking about. The answer is I don't understand about what matter you are talking. Identify all these underlined words are the relative pronoun. Just notice when we join two sentences into one, sometimes we should use a comma before the relative pronoun and after a dependent clause. Number 1. I adopted a dog, full stop. His name is Tommy. The answer is the dog, comma, that I adopted, comma, is named Tommy. Number 2. The man is not so much educated, full stop. He became a chairman of the building. The answer is the man, comma, who is not so much educated, comma, became a chairman of the building. Number 3. My friend lost her purse, full stop. She is sad. The answer is my friend, comma, who lost her purse, comma, is sad. Number 4. The man is a writer, full stop. We met him at the party. The answer is the man, comma, whom we met at the party, comma, is a writer. Number 5. The ice cream was melted, full stop. It was delicious. The answer is the ice cream, comma, which was melted, comma, was delicious. Full stop. Number 6. The boy is wearing a suit, full stop. He is my son. Full stop. Answer is the boy, comma, who is wearing a suit, comma, is my son. Number 7. The clay pot fell on the floor, full stop. It was not broken. The answer is the clay pot, comma, that fell on the floor, comma, was not broken. Number 8. Finally, the book was returned, full stop, but then it was torn and spotted. The answer is the book, comma, when it was finally returned, comma, was torn and spotted. Thank you for watching my video. You know friends that good things, good moral stories, good information, good behavior and all the goodness in the society should be distributed among the people. So friends, share my good educational video among the students as much as possible. To be connected, subscribe my channel. Meet you at my next video with another such interesting topic of English grammar. Till then, thank you and goodbye.